All right. Me and James are doing a video as we attempt to find a spot to go hunt arrowheads. So we've got a lot of rain here lately, and everything's flooded. And so where we would have crossed a few weeks ago when he found that pine tree, or Jeremiah found that pine tree, it is now flooded and impassable. So we're having to walk upstream and try to find a way to get down into the creek and to get over to where we can find some amazing artifacts. James has gone ahead of me because he's got an idea that will help us safely cross down into the creek. And I'm entitling this video Ratchet because his idea is ratchet. And well, you'll see what I'm talking about as I come up. Now remember, between the two of us, we could not get to ride in an elevator together at most places, and yet we're going to try to go down to there. So honey, this was his idea. If I die and don't make it home, it was his idea.
It'll work.
That gentleman right there with the ratchet plan. So I'm gonna let him go down first, and then I'm gonna cut the things, and then I'm going back to the vehicle and going home. Hopefully he has some arrowheads in his trunk or his truck. That way I could take them and don't have to look for something. But like I said, this is a ratchet. That was a ratchet idea. He just threw the rope. See where he pooped himself already. And he says he's got great confidence in this.
I do. Actually, I'm thinking about leaving these here. So I have to pack them and come back. Just get them on the way out.
Yeah, not leaving them here for somebody else to go to our spot. Or your spot.
It's our spot.
Your spot. Yours and Jeremiah's. But we're going to do all this work and we're not going to find anything. So this is all you're going to see on this video is two fat guys falling in a creek. I think there's a song about that. Two fat guys falling in a creek. Sorry about that singing. We'll get back with you if we survive this. If not, it's going to be the Blair Witch Project video. He does have snacks. He does have me a Diet Dr. Pepper. Can't ask more than that, I guess. All right. I don't know if this is covered under my insurance either. That wasn't as ratchet as I thought. Whew, okay. Very good distance.
But that doesn't work.
Well, two fat guys ratcheted into the forest and we made it to the other side. So why did two fat guys cross the creek?
Get to the other side.
To find a point. Somebody's been digging. Somebody's been digging. Kind of think that's a no-no on private land, that you don't have permission to do that on. Well, once again, so as we started looking at this hole that we had just found where someone had been digging, we realized that it was really fresh. Like the person must have heard us coming because they left their knife, their digging tool, and skedaddled. And they left a point behind, and James found it, and I'll share a picture with it right after I get done talking, but it was a nice blunt. His first ever finding a blunt. Evidence that you were doing it. It works.